ready to transform your imagination into breathtaking video realities with Sora AI. Let's embark on a journey to master the art of crafting visually stunning Sora videos, where aesthetic vision meets artificial intelligence. First, let's talk color. Choose a palette that evokes the mood you're aiming for. Warm colors like reds and oranges convey energy, while cool blues and greens create a sense of calm and serenity. Composition is key. The rule of thirds, leading lines, and creating depth will instantly elevate your video from amateur to professional. Visual balance matters. Now, let's think subject. Select subject matter that is both compelling and aligns with your chosen aesthetic. Unique and interesting subjects always make for more captivating viewing. Craft your text prompts carefully. Clear, descriptive language gives Sora AI the direction it needs to bring your vision to life. Experiment with different prompts until you achieve the desired result. Remember, creating beautiful videos with Sora is about more than just technical skill. It's about visual storytelling. Master these elements and unlock the potential to create emotionally resonant content. Now go forth and start creating your own stunning Sora AI videos, blending aesthetics and AI to bring your visions to life. Don't forget to share your creations with Aesthetics in AI and Sora AI so we can be inspired by your work.